Hi, in this video, we'll be looking at how to respond to students' comments, and we're going to be using the stream. In a previous video, we looked at how students can create comments, and we've looked at that using the stream option as well. So in this area, you can find all the comments that has been made that's on your stream. So notice here we're currently in our stream. So we can see here that a comment was made by a student asking when is assignment 2 due. And you can go ahead and respond to this by it's pretty much the same way, by just clicking here in the add class comment option just below. Or you can use the option here that says share something with your class. Maybe other students may have the same question as well. So you can go ahead and you can just go ahead here. I'm just going to use this option and I'm going to say, okay, class, assignment number 2 is due on Monday. So notice you can also add additional resources here in terms of attachment, so that you can also decide who views this particular comment that you're making as a teacher. You can also choose a class as well. If I had more than one class here, it would allow me to select that. So you can choose whether you want to reply only to one student or for the entire student population. In this case, it could be a question that other students have, so you can leave it to all students there. And notice you have the option to post, but here you have additional options, so you can choose to schedule this for a particular point in time to be revealed to the students or to be published to everyone, or you can just go ahead and post immediately. So I'm going to go ahead and post here immediately by clicking on post. All right, so once that comment has been posted, you will now see that appearing at the top of your stream. Okay, so there we go. So this is how you actually reply to students' comments on the stream as a teacher. I hope that this particular video actually helped you. And if it did, please share, leave a comment, like, and remember to click on that subscribe option and also the notification option as well to be notified of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.